And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have this amazing house in Santa Rosa Beach. We don't always get properties over there. Tell us more about it, Sheldon.
So it's amazing. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Some of my favorite things are the lot features. Sits behind the lot is a nature preserve, so nothing can ever be built behind it or to the side of it.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, they also didn't spare any details to the water softening system, to the reverse osmosis in the water system, pavers along the side. It's just a beautiful, beautiful property. You should check it out.
And on the inside, it's done to the nines. I love the open living space with the kitchen. There's an island. You've got your dining room and your living room right there. And it's a perfect master that's split from everybody else. What do you think?
Yeah, it's open living right here in Paradise Cove. They even have a community pool.
This beautiful 5-bed, 3.5 bath is listed for under $900,000, just right down from the beautiful 30A sector. If you would like more information, look in the description below and click on the MLS listing for more details. And don't forget to subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you know when our next video is out.